Today we are going to start with question number 8 of exercise 11.4. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeters and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around the square box of side 4 centimeters also. Did she have any cord left? Firstly, she has wrapped a cord on a circular pipe. Then she has wrapped a cord on a square box. So after that, how much cord is left? That we have to tell it. Okay. So if she is wrapping a cord around a circular pipe, that means we need the circumference over here. And radius is already given. That is 4 centimeters. That will be your radius. Okay. So wrapping a cord around a circular pipe, that means the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. And pi value is already given 3.14. It's already given. And radius is already given also here. Radius of the pipe 4 centimeters. So we are going to multiply it. We are getting 25.12. After that, she is wrapping a cord around a square. So the side of the square in the question, it is given 4 centimeters. And the formula of a perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side because we are wrapping a cord around a square box. So we need a perimeter for that. So 4 into side, that is 4 into 4. Wait once. That is 16 centimeters. Now we have to find out the remaining cord. That means we are going to subtract it. 25.12 subtracted with 16. How much you are getting? Once, just a second. Tell me how much we will be getting after subtracting it. That's correct once, but write down in front of that the remaining cord. Yes, right, Kavya. Tanvi Bakshi. Your answer is absolutely right. Mahi, check your decimals. Check your decimals, Mahi. Subtract it, beta. The cord wrapped on the pipe and cord wrapped on the square. You have to subtract it. So 9.12 is the correct answer. That's correct. That will be your answer. But this much cord is left.
The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle.
So this is a rectangular lawn and in the middle you are having a circular flower bed. Okay. So rectangular lawn length and breadth is already given in the diagram, 10 meter and 5 meter. And this is a circular flower bed which is in the middle of this rectangular lawn. Okay. And the radius of this circular flower bed is 2 meters. Got it? This diagram understood? Draw it, beta. And in this question, we have to find out area of the whole land. That means this rectangular land area we have to find. Area of the flower bed we have to find. Area of the lawn, excluding the flower bed also we have to find. And circumference of the flower bed also we have to find. Okay. These 4 solutions we have to take it out. So first of all, we'll find out the area of the whole land. So Nishchay, can you tell me what will be the area of the whole land? What formula we are going to apply here?
Yes, ma'am.
Which formula we are going to apply here to take out the area of the whole land?
Ma'am, length multiplied by breadth.
But this is the formula of rectangle or square? Nishchay? Lavish, Parth, Devanshi, Utkarsh, open your camera also. So write down the area of the length of the rectangular lawn is given 10 meters and breadth is given 5 meters. And the area of the rectangular lawn will be length into breadth. Yes, Kavya, your answer is right. Rest of you just multiply length into breadth. How much you are getting? Devanshi, Abhigyan. Give me the answer, children. Yes, Mahi, correct. Tanvi, correct. What about others? Take out the area of the whole land. Give me the answers, children, in the chat box. Yes, Lavish, your answer is also right. Mukul, Abhigyan, Parth, Utkarsh. Open your camera and yes, give me the answers, children. Multiplied or not up till now? Meenakshi, Anya, where are your answers? Gone. Shaurya, kindly be attentive in the class, children. Yes, Vedika, your answer is right. That is 50 meters square. Absolutely correct. 10 into 5, we are going to multiply length into breadth. That is 50 meters square. Now, in the second part, they are asking about the area of the flower bed. An area, if we are going to find out the area of a flower bed, that means we have to find out the area of a circle. Area of a circle is, the formula of area of a circle is, what is the formula of area of a circle, children? Anya, what is going on, beta? Yes, pi r square, that's right. Radius is already given here, 2 meters. And the area of the flower bed, the formula you are going to apply is pi r square. Radius is 2 meters, so 3.14 will be multiplied by 2 square. Right, Fiona, Mahi, multiplied, children. 2 2s are 4. 3.14 multiplied by 4. Yes, Kavya, right. Multiply it. Sejal, Mr. Your answers are not coming. Come on, write down the answers and give me the, write down the answers in chat box fast. Once Jen, I want this answer. Multiply 3.14 with 4. How much you will be getting? Yes, right, Mukul, Meenakshi, Vansh Sharma. Right answers. That is 12.56 meters square. That is the right answer. Yes, Tanvi, Nishchay, your answers are right. Now we have to find out the area of the lawn, which is excluding the area of the flower bed. That means the rectangular lawn is there. We are already having the area of the lawn. We are already having the area of a flower bed. So we have to exclude it. That means we have to subtract it. We have to remove that part. So subtract it, children. Area of a rectangular lawn with the area of the flower bed. Subtract it. Do the subtraction. Yes, right, Vansh. 50 minus 12.56. Karnika, give me the answer. Come on. Subtract it and give me the answer. Sejal. Yes, Mahi, Kavya, your answers are right. Mukul, your answer is correct. Fiona, you're not giving me the answers. Shaurya. Yes, Lavish, your answer is absolutely right. Very good. Come on, children. Devanshi, Utkarsh, Parth, Abhigyan, Adhyay. Open your camera fast, otherwise I have to remove you from the class. Are you opening your camera or not? Nishya, check your answer. Fiona, your answer is right. Yatharth, open your camera. Devanshi, Yatharth, open your camera fast. Fast it properly. And be attentive to give the answer. Yes, Tanvi, your answer is right. That is 37.44. That's good. Now, in the last part, they are asking about the circumference of the flower bed. That will be 2 pi r. So multiply the values. 2 multiply 3.14 multiply 2. Yes, once Jen, your answer is right. Kavya, your answer is correct. Sejal, your third answer is right. Yes. Yes, Mahi, you are also correct. Come on, children. Give me the answer. Abhigyan, आपका answer एक भी नहीं आया. Come on, give it. Solve it and multiply the value. Fiona, Lavish, your answers are right. Come on, Parth, give me the answer. Adhyay. Devanshi, multiply the value and give me the answer. If you don't know how to multiply in decimal, then you can raise your hand. I can explain you again. So 12.56 meter will be the answer. Nobody will be putting meter square here. Answer will be in meters. Because when you are taking out the circumference, answer will be in meters, okay? Area will be always in squares. Next question number 10, we have to find out the area of the shaded portion. If you see this diagram, it's a rectangular diagram, isn't it? Draw this diagram, children. This is a rectangle. And in this rectangle, we have shaded this portion. FDC, this part, FDEC, this part this is a quadrilateral which we have shaded. We have to find out the area of this portion. So first of all, what we are going to do, we'll find out the area of this rectangle. Okay. Then we are going to, can you see this triangle? EAF, this triangle. This triangle. So we'll find out the area of this triangle. Then we are going to find out the area of this triangle, EBC. Okay. First we'll find out the area of a rectangle, then this triangle, this triangle. Because this is also a triangle, this is also a triangle. Then what we are going to do, from the rectangle, we'll cut this portion. That means we are going to subtract this portion and this portion also. So we will get the area of a shaded portion. Understood? How to do this question? So check out the area of a rectangle. What is the formula of area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, that's correct. Length is given 18, breadth is given 10. So multiply 18 with 10 and find out the area of a rectangle. Or if you write it down, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is given 18. Yes, Kavya, your answer is right. Length is given 18, breadth is given 10. You can see here in the diagram. This is the breadth, 10, and 18 is the length. Multiply it. Yes, Tanvi, Lavish, your answers are right. And tell me the area of a rectangle. Wait once, just tell me the answer in the chat box. Yes, right, Mahi. I'm asking rectangle, beta, not a square. This is not a square. This is a rectangle. Fiona, which question you are doing? Yes, Vanshan, your answer is right. So then we'll find out the area of this triangle AEF. Half into base into height. The formula, apply the formula half into base into height. Area of a triangle. Yes, that's right, Kavya. Very good, Mahi. Your answers are right. Area of a triangle. First triangle, that is AEF. Triangle AEF. Half into base into height. Base you will be taking 6. Height you will be taking 10. Yes, Mukul, Mahi, your answers are right. Can we check your answer again? 6 and 10. Base and height. This 6 will be the base. 10 will be the height. Solve it, children. Area of a triangle. Yes, Fiona, Tanvi, Lavish, your answers are right. Anya, Parth Jain, open your camera. So area of a triangle is half into base into height. That means 30 centimeter square. Now find out the area of a second triangle. AEBC. Here the base is given 8 and height is given 10. Find out the area of a second triangle. Yes, Mahi, Kavya, your answer is right. Vanshjan, your answer is right. Base is 8, height is 10. Find out the area of a triangle again. Yes, Mukul, your answer is also right. Fiona is correct. Tanvi is correct. Yes, Mahi. Check your answer again. Meenakshi, you're right. Area of a triangle EBC, half into base into height. Half into 8 into 10. 2 4s are 8. Cut this value 2 with 8. Yes, right, Fiona. 40 centimeters square is the right answer. And area of a triangle, rectangle you have already taken out. So subtract these values. Find out the area of a shaded portion. ABCD is the area of a rectangle. Subtract triangle AEF and triangle EBC. Subtract this. Yes, that's right. Fiona. Yes, Mahi, your answer is also right. Yes, subtract this value, Vanshan. That's correct, Vansh. Yes, 110 centimeters square. Yes, Nishchay, your answer is also right. Lavish, your answer is also correct. It should be centimeter square, not meter square. It should be meter square, not centimeter square. Check the units. In question number 11, we have to find out the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. AC is 22, BM is 3, DN is 3, and perpendicular. The opposite T sign resembles that. It is a perpendicular sign, okay? This opposite T resembles that it is a sign of a perpendicular, okay? So find the area of the quadrilateral. First of all, we'll find out the area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. Triangle ABC will be taking it. Base is given 22 and height is given 3. AC is given 22 and BN is given 3. So half into base into height, that is 33 centimeters square. That's right, Mukul. Now find out the area of our next triangle ADC. 3 and 22 again, base and height. Second answer, triangle, area of triangle ADC. Find it out. That's right, Kavya. Lavish, right? Yes, right, Fiona. Absolutely correct. 33 centimeters square. Both the triangles are getting the same area. That is 33 centimeters square of a triangle ABC as well as triangle ABC. Both are having 33 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of a quadrilateral. So we will be adding both the area of the triangles. Add 33 plus 33. You will be getting the area of a quadrilateral. Add it, children. Yes, right, Kavya. Fiona, right? That's correct. Yes, Mahi, your answer is also right. Absolutely right. 66 centimeter square is the right answer. This is the area of the quadrilateral. When we have added triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Yes, Mukul, Lavish, very good, beta. The answers are absolutely correct. Yes, right, Vanshan. Very good.